Yeah. Okay. Hi, I'm Anusha. This trip started very interesting. I was not going to come at all, but one call with Babuma and Donnie changed everything. Despite my ankle injury, they reminded me that I had the power to make this happen if I want to. And once I made the decision and I made the choice to come here, no matter what, everything lined up. My flight got delayed and I got additional rest. And all the people here, the kind of support and love I've received in the last 2 days, my leg is almost healed. Coming to Ludhiana and coming to the Hyl Your Life family was like coming back to home. And my biggest learning in the last 2 days was that love is as much about receiving, about becoming a good receiver, feeling safe enough to hold everything that is available to us. It is also about giving back. And I leave this space becoming a better teacher of love and just becoming more and more safe with loving myself. Thank you, Babuma. Thank you, Donnie, Iqbal uncle. Thank you, the whole Ludhiana team. And each and every person in this room, everybody's sharing was so deep, was so personal. And each word I heard in this room has changed me from who I was in the last 2 days. It's been transformational and very profound. And I will always be grateful for that. Thank you.